Hi children, hope all are well and doing well. Now let us hear the explanation of last topic, probability, chance or likelihood of. Here mainly some new words we have to study. Event, probability, likelihood, like that. What is event? An event is something that happens. The probability of an event is the chance or likelihood of it happening. Look here, you can see some circle shaped here. Here first one certain. Certain, look, the circle divided into 4 portions and all portions shaded. And likely, only 3 portions are shaded. And equally likely, half portion shaded. Unlikely, a 1/4 of the circle shaded. Impossible, no shaded portion here. That means certain. Certain means sure. That happens surely. That is certain. And likely. Likely means it will happen. 3/4 sure. That means it will happen. Equally likely. Equally likely, 50-50 chance. Unlikely, maybe a little chance to happen, that is unlikely. But impossible, no chance to happen, that one, that is impossible. And here look, probability, the chance of an event occurring. Certain, it will definitely happen, sure, that is certain. Likely, it will probably happen, maybe happening. Even chance, 50-50, it is likely to occur, a 50-50 chance. Unlikely, it is not expected to happen. And impossible, it cannot happen, it is sure, it will not happen, sure, that is impossible. Unlikely, for a small chance to happen, but it is not expected. And some example also I will given here. Some first one, impossible outcome, picking out a red marble from this bag. Look, this bag, no red board here. So how we pick out a red board from this bag? It is not possible. It is impossible. Second one, look, one dice. Getting one die, one in the first throw of the die is an unlikely outcome. Getting one in the first throw one, it may be not sure, so it unlikely. Equally likely outcomes, a coin tossing, only 2 chance, either head or a coin, either head or a tail. Here 50-50 chance, so getting head on tossing a coin is an equally likely outcome. And next, most likely outcome, the pointer stopping on pink. Here 3 sections you can see, 2 pink and 1 green. So pointer on pink is the most likely outcome. And certain outcome, here in this bag only orange marble. So picking out orange marble, that is certain, sure thing. So picking out orange marbles from this bag is certain. Now clear this one, what is probability and how this one, and try to do all problems. Thank you children.